back to my YouTube channel. Of course, if you're new here, my good name is Josie and this is Life with Josie. Kindly, if you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are my returning subscriber, I love you so much, and may God bless you, may God uplift you, and may God expand your territories. So guys, today is a busy day for me, and I have decided that I am going to do some cleaning. And what cleaning am I gonna do? So it has been long time since I washed my curtains, and guys, today I decided, okay, let me do this, and I'm going to make it as a vlog. So guys, mommy kelele wacha. So guys, let us do this. I have bedroom curtains, the kitchen curtains, the living room curtains. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to do them today, and as we are done, nitangoja zikauke, then afterwards I will come back and install them after they are dry. I know they're gonna dry today because the sun outside there is, you know, sunning. Anyway guys, I want to also take this chance to appreciate my subscribers. Oh my goodness, we are growing. I started this channel less than a month, and guys, oh, the growth is interesting. You know, for someone, you just started something without knowing that, you know, you just start something without knowing the next step, and you're like, okay, will I make it or will I not? But we keep trying and keep trying, and guess what? We are a road to 100 subscribers, and let me hope by the time I'll be uploading this video, we'll have attained the 100 subscriber buttons, guys. Not button, the 100 subscribers. And guys, you can do this for me. Hit that subscribe button. Let's make it to even 1,000. Can we? Of course we can. And let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Anyway guys, come with me and let's do this as we clean up and wait for them to dry. Then we'll come back and install our curtains. So guys, let's go and do this job. Hey! So guys, let me tell you one thing. So when I was recording this video, I thought that the sound was okay. But let me tell you guys, oh my goodness. Now it was the moment for me to, you know, to edit the video. And I found out like, oh my, the voice was not even, it never recorded my sound. So those curtains, the ones that I'm holding are for the living room. Those two curtains. Then we have it sheer there. Hey guys, okay, hii ni masaibu yani. These are some of the, you know, difficulties and problems that content creators can go through. You know, you record, you think you are recording, maybe it's not capturing, and I'm telling you guys, oh my. So I was fetching some water there, and I was, you know, the soaking water. Yeah, and that's all I did. So guys, I'm sorry that it didn't record the voice, but at least the video was there to show. Oh my goodness, I really felt bad. Anyway, it's okay. Now I had some curtains. So I had the bedroom curtains, the living room curtain, and the kitchen curtain, whereby I also had some, you know, how do we call them, some mats. Those mats that you put maybe at the entrance of the door, maybe in your bedroom, and you know, just after your bed there. And also those mats that, you know, you put you know, maybe in your corridors. Yeah, so they are the ones that you are seeing there. So I also had to clean them. Anyway guys, let's do this and let's clean. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. And so finally guys, I was done with the cleaning, the washing, and now I was to bring the clothes out to the balcony where I was going to hang them. So guys, let's do this. So guys, I also had those how do you call them? Nimesahau jina yake ya hizo. So nimezifua, alafu nimekuwa na viatu kadhaa. Then our curtains are here. So let me anika them, alafu then ngoje zi dry. As they dry, then tutazirudisha kwa dirisha. So guys, ndio naanika as you can see. So let's go. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you want to say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you want to say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up. Oh, so guys, okay, I'm done in washing. Well, hebu ona vile nimejifanyia. I don't know what's wrong, but ni vile nimekuwa nikianika. You have seen how I've been, nimekuwa nikianika, so zimenidripia maji, but it's okay. So let me have a shower. Then after having a shower, at least to have some lunch with my baby girl. Alafu guys, we wait for the curtains to dry. I know they are going to dry even if jua itafika hapo in kitu saa 8, saa 7, saa 8, the sun will be there and I know they are going to be dry, and then majuni hivi we shall also vlog showing you how we are, we are tunarudisha the curtains on their cutting road. So guys, just hit that subscribe button, kindly like the video, share your thought with us, and tutashukuru sana. Anyway, love you so much, appreciate you for the love, for the support. See you. Guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Guys, the day have been tiresome for me. In fact, I went and took a nap because I have been busy and I was like, okay, let me just rest a bit. Guys, size, as you can see, even through the window there, you can see the curtains outside, right? It's about 7, yeah? So ni kitu 6:50 something, so tunaelekea 7. And nimeshtukia tu nikasema, guys, curtains zangu bado sijaziweka ndani. And unaona hata hapo kwa dirisha hakuna. So sikung'ang'ania kuchange. I have other curtains but I don't love them that much. Bila nilinunua hizi nikasema no. These are the ones that I'll be doing, changing them. No. So guys, let me take them out. In fact, shears zilikuwa zimekauka. The shears are here as you can see. And the window frame ziko tu hivi. Najua unaweza shangaa, inside the balcony, and we are on the 6th floor. So no one probably is staying inside my home. So guys, let me try and make it quick because I wanna sit down and relax also. So we install the curtains and then we call it a day. So kama uja subscribe, kindly hit that subscribe button, like the video, give me your thought about this day, and also share this video. So guys, let's go.
Falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, let me tell you, I wasn't even sure whether the curtains are dry, but let me tell you, I cleansed them, I washed them, it was about 12 noon, and I'm telling you guys, my curtains are, they are dry. So let me install them with you. So this is the curtain shear. It's so big. So let me try and do it first. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do. So guys, that is one of our curtains here. Then, so guys, I only have these 2 curtains for the living room. It is a pair, but I'm planning to buy another pair for the other window because my living room has got 2 windows. Yeah. So I'm only going to do one here because I normally use the other one on the other window. but soon or later I'm gonna add another curtain, another pair of curtains. So guys, that is how I have installed my curtain. Let me show you how it is, as you can see. So guys, this is how our curtain is looking like. Remember I said that my living room has got 2 windows, this one and the one on the other side, but because I have less curtains, in fact I have a pair here, whereby I'm using this one only, because this one is supposed to be on that side, and then this one is supposed to be on the other side. Because I have not yet found another one, I'll get it soon, sooner than I can, as soon as I can. So I'm going to be using this one, and because it's in a night, let me show how I do it in a night. The night, this is how my curtain, looks like. So yeah, so that is it. You see the curtain itself is beautiful. In fact, they are showing that they are clean, because I can see the difference from the moment I removed them. They were not that clean, but for now they are sparkling clean. So guys, let's do the other curtain on the other window.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me that you're fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me that you're fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, yeah, I don't know why. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
So guys, this is how my other curtain is looking like. I also don't have a share here, but it's okay, because I rarely open this curtain from this side, because definitely other people's houses, my neighbor house is just here, so I don't see the need of opening it. And so sometimes I do open it. This is how it looks like, you see. And when we put it that way, so that's how it looks like. So guys, you can see those curtains. These curtains are so beautiful, and I'm telling you, I bought them expensive, but I thank God at least I got some curtains. So guys, these have been the living room curtains. As you can see, that is how they look like, the living room curtains. Yeah, they are clean and sparkling. Now let's go to the kitchen, then we finalize with the bedroom. This is my kitchen curtain, as you can see. My kitchen curtain is big, let me tell you. I bought it when I was in a certain house, and that house had a very big window. But when I came here, I found the window was not that big, and it was also short. So let us do this.
To me now, I wanna wake up with you.
guys, this is how my bedroom, sorry, my kitchen. My kitchen curtain looks like. You see, it is so beautiful, but now it's too long. Hadi hapa chini. So let me show you how it is. Yeah, so guys, you can see it looks so beautiful, but the problem is it's too long hadi karibu inaingia kwa sink. So what I normally do is this. Let me show you. Let me show you what I normally do. So I fold it like this because I don't have it on yeah. So I try and fold it like this so that it can fit in this area. So that is how we put it, and as you can see it looks amazing. I don't even have to, you know, remove it from that way, whether daytime or night time, because I have told you my house is on top, the 6th floor. So even hakuna nyumba ingine ndefu kama hiyo hapa, and so it gives me easy time not to keep unfolding and folding it. So that is it. That is my kitchen area, and now let's go to the bedroom. And so guys, these are the bedroom curtains. Let us install them. I was thinking of doing some dark curtains in our bedroom. Yeah, I really need dark curtains in my bedroom because this one I was using them in the living room, but the moment I got another from the living room, so I had to shift this. But also with the time I'm gonna have the new curtains for the bedroom. God willing. But I love these curtains. They are more presentable than, you know, having those who don't have to use the curtain rods. So let us install them. Oh my, will I be able to install? Oh, I'm short, but we are done. So guys, during the day, this is, oh my, during the day this is how my bedroom curtain looks like. This is how, you know, this is how I do them. Yeah, you can see even the one as is separate during the day, but because saini usiku, this is how I put them. Our bedroom window is not that large. It's just a small area, and yeah, that is how it is. Let me show you. That is it, as you can see. So that is my bedroom curtain. Yeah, so guys, that is it, and I'm telling you, I'm feeling like I'm much tired. Yeah. have seen the the washing, the installation. It is a work itself for sure. In fact, I'm sweating because installing them, walking here and there, recording, and I'm doing it all by myself. It needs someone who has who is really willing to do this. Anyway, guys, do not let me down. Hit that subscribe button. Just comment, give me your thought. How do you think I've done my work today? What do you think about the cleaning? Was it worth it, or how do you think about it? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you love it, like it, comment, share, and more so, do not forget to subscribe. Let's meet in our next video, and love you so much. Mwah. Bye bye for now.